you always forgive, and you never regret, and you help somebody every chance you get. Oh, you find God's grace in every mistake, and always give more than you take.
One of the branches?
Yeah, that one that caught me and like it was like cutting into me and also pulling me back, and I had to hold on because I was like doing a tug of war between the two. That's crazy. Hopefully neither of us have too many crashes going on today. Hopefully both of us have a successful ride. Isn't it kind of weird how sometimes as people, like if we're doing poorly or if we're crashing a lot, that we want other people to fail, we want other people to crash. That kind of goes along with just people in general, I think, in life as well. Like, we want other people to fail. We don't like to hear them doing well. I think it's pretty messed up as people that we think that way, like that we would want somebody else to fail, or that we don't like hearing about somebody doing well. It's kind of a one-dimensional way of looking at life, and you know, as long as we're not looking at it through our window, it doesn't matter. I think that's kind of a screwed up way to look at life, but it's definitely true. I don't think a lot of people talk about that very much, but nice little technical section here. Definitely a jet flying around up there. Oh crap. I am always surprised by people who protect me. It's very interesting to me. But there are some people that have protected me in these last few years that I'm very fortunate and thankful for, but I'm trying to gauge what their thought process is. You know, there are a lot of people that work against you, and there's a lot of people that work for you. And I think the people that work for you probably have the same tendencies, but they're aware of their thought process. And that's really what makes those people such a value. Gives me a little hope in humanity, though, when something like that happens. So I try to return the favor when I can. And this is a lesson on why handguards are important. Because I can't go forward right now. So take care of each other and have fun. Peace out, guys.
I wish for you is that this life becomes